Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to TSO Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I'm your host Martin. In this episode, we're going to be talking about, will the Bitcoin rally continue, or will the Bitcoin recovery continue? Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be updated with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell. That way you're going to be notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is on, join us in the Discord. Links will be getting out here shortly. Let's jump onto the main screen. Let's catch up with the chat real quick. And let's see what you guys are saying. Tristan says, hello. And then he says, do we think this is the end of the bear market? And then Jess says, hey, dude. Arthur, good evening. And call you Art? All right. For what? How'd you do? It's a maniac on the floor. And apparently he dances like no one's danced before or something like that. Arthur says, or Art, sorry man. Art says, Martin, if you have time, can you please check out IOTX? Sure. Anyways, it is Friday. Cheers, guys. It is a nice Friday. It's a chill day. All right, so before we start, no stream tomorrow, right? No stream tomorrow, and then no stream until next Saturday. I'm gonna be I'll recheck my schedule. I'm gonna be arriving Friday very, very late, so I'm not gonna have time to do the stream. So sorry about that. But yeah, we're gonna be here tonight, and tomorrow I will probably try to post a short video, right? I'll probably just go in depth on the Bitcoin and talk mainly Bitcoin, where it could go. You know, it's what we have, and sorry I'm not gonna be able to be here, but you know, it's a daytime job, requires me to travel, so I have to be out next week. On that note, what is happening with the market cap? Hidden bullish divergence. Last thing we had. Action to the upside, holding support at 4.46 trillion. Very nice. Continuing on a move into the upside, targeting 2.65 trillion. That is good. Sitting at 2.57. Not a bad move here. Not a bad move. We're not out of the woods. Even if we get above 2.65, we need to get above the 20 moving average, and that is sitting right now at 2.72 trillion dollars. Elon says, "What's up? Happy Thanksgiving, then." Oh yeah, happy Thanksgiving, guys. I'm not gonna be here, but I'll say happy Thanksgiving on the Discord or something. But let's get rolling here onto the corn, right? Bitcoin 58,847. Now we've dropped. Where did we drop here, man? Did we drop to our target? We're still above whatever support we had down here, so that's pretty good. Here we were looking for that pullback, right? That quick boop, boop exchange of money, which we did get here, by the way, right? Quick drop and pop. Some other exchanges, it looks a little bit different, right? We got that drop and pop, so very, very nice. So again, we got the move here that we were highlighting, right? It was a quick pop and drop, pop and dump and pump. So that's pretty good. Let's go back here again to the corn. Let's see where we're at. Breaking down. So we are breaking down again below 59,267. We did manage to hold on to 55,406. It's not a bad move, right? It's not a bad move on Bitcoin. Very nice pullback up here. It's okay. Flash crashing to 54,230, recovering. Pretty good. So nothing here that was bullish. We already established that. We're recovering from stuff that's happening on the shorter time scales. Neutral at 43.68. Are we done? I don't know yet. If this is moving down right now, we're starting to make what looks to be upsloping consolidation. Upsloping consolidation tends to break us back down. So can we hit 59,267? We can. Are we going to get above it? Don't know yet. We need to figure it out, right? We need to see what happens once we meet that target. If we do get above that target, 61,195 is going to be the next target, and then the 20 moving average, and that is right now at 62,539, and then above there 64,900, right? That we're back on track, sorta. But for now, it does look like we're recovering. It does look like we're holding 55,000. Like I said, 55,000 is a critical area. We want to hold on to that. Are we done with the dropping? Not sure yet. Right? That was one of the questions. Are we done? Not sure. The Bertness, what's up, dude? Thank you very much for being here, Bert. How's it going? Hope you're having a great time, man. Bert's in the house. There we go. By the way, the Bert dad happens to be also a creator, content creator. He used to be, I think, the number 9th Minecraft video content creator back in the day. So, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Right on. So we're starting to see some recovery. That's fine, right? That's fine. It's not wrong, nothing wrong with that. Again, we talked about the possibilities. If we're rejecting 59,000, could be looking for a retest of 55,406. Let's go to that 4-hour chart, man. On the 4-hour chart, bullish divergence, right? For some reason, this chart's now starting to show gaps on time. We didn't have that yesterday, so I did come to this chart and I confirmed basically that we still had the same divergence, which we're still holding on to. Again, bullish divergence strong, potential for moving up, starting to rally in that, going for that 20 moving average, right? Hitting our target. Very nice. Are we out of the woods? Not yet. Not yet. So we can see where we go once we hit that, right? Let's see what else is happening here. High to low, positives, positive, high to low, neutral. 43.52. Nothing really exciting happening here for Bitcoin. Hitting target, rejecting the 20. That's fine. We need to get above it, then 59,267. That's it. Bullish divergence is at play. 1-hour chart. Bullish divergence at play, right? Where to? Action to the upside, right? We talked about this being 2 parts. One from here to here, and then one from here to here. And since we're missing data here because it got removed, we no longer have the anchoring point that we have here. I'm not sure why they removed data from the chart. Oh, it was a joke on him being the most popular Minecraft YouTuber. He was a Minecraft YouTuber, though. All right, that's pretty cool. We'll still say you're number 9, though, right? It's not a problem. You can still be number 9. We're not gonna fact check on that here. It's all good. Anyways, what are we having here? Strong bearish divergence, right? with that, the possibility for a movement down. Do I think we're going to move down right now? That's a good question. Because we're stagnating, we're failing to reach our target. Even if we hit 59,267, we're going to have bearish divergence, right? Because maybe a double bottom later. In that case, you're the fourth most. Yeah, we can say that too, man. You're number 2, man. Because maybe double bottom like not at least we have. Yeah, we're gonna check that in a secondary war. Anyways, bearish divergence, potential for moving down. So you're gonna start moving down here, going for that 20 moving average. Potentially that would be the move that we'll be looking for. Like I said, even if we get up here, we're still gonna hold on to that bearish divergence, and we might see a movement down, right? First and third is essentially fact checked. All right. Then we can say you're fourth. All right. You might be wondering, why is this guy reading? Remember, there's a chat that is hidden. That is everything. That is this chat here. And that's where I can see where you guys are at. So the Burt Dad is happening to be on Twitch, and then the rest of the guys happening to be on YouTube, which is awesome. Let's get rid of the chat, and let's go back to the chart. Bearish divergence, potential for movement down. Neutral at 60.63. Again, not really super bad here, but we are looking for a movement down, right? That would be the move that we're expecting to see with the bearish divergence. We could be going down for that 20 moving average. Try to find support there. Maybe create some hidden bullish. Maybe try to create something there to give us another boost to get us above 59,000. Could it get up above 59,000? We do have this strong bullish divergence back here that could still get us to rally. But again, we would be ignoring that bearish divergence, and that would start to indicate that we are back on a full-on bull market, right? Because when bearish indicators fail to play out, that means the bulls are in control. So yeah, that's what we'll be looking for, right? If we do rally here, get above 59,000, get above 60,000, and we ignore the bearish divergence, at some point in time, it might kick in, depending on how we climb, right? So if we keep on climbing here, slowly, like staggering, right, and get to that level, we could easily draw that line up here and maybe still, oh, snap, not there. Maybe still be making less of that positive momentum and have that bearish divergence, right? So it's just going to depend how we get there, how we get to 68,801 in case we do break to the upside. Like I said, the market is extremely bullish, so watch out for that, right? There is a support line that we're making right now. And that line, I'm just going to anchor it here and say, yeah, this is our potential support line that we're looking for here on the corn. And if Bitcoin manages to hold on to this, we should at least still be on an uptrend. If it breaks below this blue line, we should still be looking for a short-term bearishness. However, the 20 moving average is going to be right there below us to try to catch us. It's not going to be bad. El Producto, thank you very much for being here, man. Much appreciated. Let's keep rolling. Let's go check out Ethereum, or as some people call it, Urethrum. Ain't it weird? Sure, maybe those people are proctologists. They just want to have a coin. Anyways, we did go down to 100% retrace, right? Getting above 4,192. We talked about the move potentially happening. And if there's something that we can see is that Ethereum doesn't want to drop with Bitcoin. It kind of wants to pump and do its own thing. And we can see with the recovery that we got. Look, very nice bullish engulfing candle. Engulfing the previous candle by a little bit, but still engulfing, right? Engulfing nonetheless. And with that, we're starting to get that small action to upside continuation. So the bullish divergence hidden still at play. The fact that Bitcoin pumped just kind of allowed for us to get here. Oh, Jake says, one sub to 100. Yeah, I know. We restarted the channel. That's brutal. Thank you, Jake, for letting me know. We're almost at 100. Ain't that awesome? Thank you very much for that. We'll do that. And also, we'll do this.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. All right. Do you guys think, type 1 in the chat if you think we're going to break 100 tonight. Type 2 in the chat if you think we're going to stay at 99. I'm curious. That's going to be interesting to see. Anyways, low to high and low to high. So nothing here happening right now that is bearish. We're pumping. We're good. We're doing okay. The false flag says 100. Are we at 100? Did we hit 100? 100? Are we there yet? The flags is subscribe with another account and make us hit 100. Now it still says 99 on my page, so 99. Yay. Arthur says we don't. River Forces, we don't. That is very easy. It's like you can grab your wife's account and just hit subscribe and then we're at 100. I'm kidding, don't do that. Anyways, we are $5 subscribed on with Prime. Thank you very much for that, man. Flies just at 100. All right. I thought you wanted me to check. I thought we were at 100. So there's nothing happening here on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, what are we doing? Bearish divergence, potential for a movement down. Oh no, we had the bullish divergence. We pumped with that. Very, very nice. Now we're starting to create this divergence here that is bearish. The divergence of the bears, right? And what does that entail? It entails that we might move down. That's what we're looking for, potential moving down. How's the divergence happening? Well, we're still climbing, making more positive price action, but we're losing that positive momentum. That means we're climbing, but we're losing strength on the move, right? That's why we're diverging, right? We're diverging against the momentum that we have. So with that, possibility for action to downside still, right? It would not be bad if we actually go hit that 20, find support and pump again. If we were to draw a line here, that line would be slightly below that 20. I'm not sure if that's the way I want to do the line. I might want to re-anchor to there and then reposition the anchoring to here. It might make a little bit more sense. Kind of also look a little bit more like the Bitcoin. So this might be the line we're looking at, right? This is the line I would be looking at for support when I'm moving down. Not too far from where we're at. It's not too far from where we are at, right? Let's see what else we're gonna do here, man. Someone said, can you check out some coin? I think it was IOTA or something like that. I'll check it real quick. Can you push IOTX? All right, cool. IOTX, why not? IOTX to the rescue. What is IOTX? IOTX at 18 cents, 18.22. All right, let's go on that daily, man. We are moving down. All right, we can fib this now. Get new fibs for this. So we're breaking that 2618. We could be coming back down to that 1618, but we're recovering. We're holding on. We can say that we're still in the consolidation phase for this project. Sorry, I'm gonna move this into the screen. In the consolidation phase for this project. So something I'm gonna do here real quick is I'm gonna grab this fibs and I'm gonna make sure they're not extending. Right? I don't care about them extending. All I want to know is where we're at. We can check by seeing this dotted line and see where we're at with regards to the previous fibs. And the reason I did that is I needed cleaner chart. I needed a cleaner chart so I could do this fibs here from low to high and see where we're retracing to. But this one's I am gonna extend. I do care about this one's being extended, and I'm gonna extend them a little bit more. That way, when I come back in and do this little thing where I stop extending, at least the data is gonna come all the way down here. So we're coming back down here in that 50% retrace. Very nice area for us to start looking for a reversal. Dow's theory, Charles Dow theory, created of the Dow Jones, says that we at least would drop 50% of the way before we start looking for recovery. Fib, we're looking at the fib ratio, that 382 to that 618, the golden mean ratio. Looking for this area for us to start to do a reversal, right? Any reversals within this area is fine, and then the 50% also happens to be there. So we are looking for that movement up. Kevin, thank you very much for being here.
You're killing me, Smalls.
I haven't seen your baseball, bro. I'm not sure where it's at. When we find it, I'm gonna grab that baseball. I'm gonna put a piece of thread to it, and then I'm gonna make sure that we put a safety pin on it, and then we can pin it onto your shirt. That way you're not gonna lose your baseball, man. And you'll be happy because your baseball's not lost. You'll be one happy camper. All right, hidden divergence, hidden bullish. So starting to get that potential moving up. That's fine. We did go up, hit a couple of areas up there. Close to at 236 at 20 cents, and then we rejected that. So we're gonna look at the short time scale, see what happened there. We're sitting neutral at 57.60. Let's go to the 4 hour. Hidden bullish. Pump of that, hit the 20, dropped. All right, so that drop we created strong bullish. We just haven't looked at this in a while. So. All right, our call didn't target up to there. We're good. Afterwards, divergence, right? Look at this. Neutral at 43.85, right? Neutral. That's it. Hidden bullish. Sorry, strong bullish. Pumping, hitting the 20, rejecting. So far as we don't drop, if we felt to drop lower than this previous low, we could still be looking for action to the upside, like we said with Bitcoin yesterday, and that's what played, right? 1 hour chart. Let's see here. Bullish divergence also. Look at this. We're coming down from all the way down here to all the way down here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It just keeps on going down and down and down it goes. And we're making the less of that negative momentum, right? So that means we're losing that strength that is moving us down. That's where we have that bullish convergence, actually. It's still called divergence. All the lines are converging. We're diverging against what the chart is saying, right? We're going down, but we're saying, no, we're going up. So we're diverging against the information. So with that, we're looking for that bounce, strong bullish, pumped, very nice. Looks as though we might have created some hidden bearish. Nope, and nope, no hidden bearish. So this movement down, we don't have a technical reason for it. Short term here, maybe. Let's see. let's make this larger and zoom in quite a bit more. There might be some bearish divergence that happen here short term, but you got to zoom in a lot to find it. And there is, look, we're going slightly higher here, very slightly, right? And as we're going higher on that point, we're coming in lower here, right? And here 59.78 and 59.06, so we're also coming lower here, right? On their relative strength. So going slightly higher, coming lower, creating strong bearish divergence. We had the possibility for moving down, breaking below that 20, very nice. And are we creating hidden bullish right now? And I would say no, mainly because I don't think we have a good, well, there's 2 breaks here. All right, we can say we do. I was gonna say no initially, but then I noticed that we had 2 small breaks. They're tiny though. Tiny breaks. Oh no, there's a truck. Jesus. We do get a lot of traffic in this area, which is freaking weird. I freaking hate it. I should try to mute all the noise, like ambulances and things like that. That truck, I just didn't catch it. Bullish, right? Hidden bullish. Pumping that. Very nice. Got a couple of balls. Oh, everyone's finding that baseball now. All right. All right, let's go to the chat real quick. Everyone's finding the baseball, right? Is this it? All right. Doesn't matter, says beer. All right. Doesn't matter, says he found the baseball. So that's pretty good. All right. Cool stuff there happening, right? Let's get out of the chat. Right on. So bullishness. Potential for moving up, going up, hitting rejection, hitting area of resistance, sorry. Rejecting that area. Are we going to get another go? We could try to get another go here. Pump and try to get above this 382. And maybe try to go for that 20 moving average at 18.7. That would not be a bad move here on IOTX. Bitcoin, let's go back here real quick. I want to revisit something. Remember where we were here yesterday? Or somewhere around here. I said we felt to drop lower still, right, than this previous low. We're going to have bullish divergence, and we're going to try to pump on that. So we pumped a bit, felt to drop lower than the previous low, continued to the upside. Very, very nice thing. Oh, that is your baseball. That is awesome. You found it. Right on. Was there another request? I think there was another request. Was it Crow? Someone requested something else. Crow. All right, cool. Let's go look at the crow. The black crow from the wall. What that? Here's a bat. What the hell? All right. Let's go find Crow. Where the hell is Crow, man? Here we go. Crow to the dollar at 57 cents. All right, it's not bad. It's trying to rally a bit. Oh my goodness, look at Crow. It's just pumped like crazy. All right. So we're going higher. We hit above that 2618. Very nice. Not a lot going on here. We could target things to the upside still, but a nice move nonetheless. Here, come back down, find support and pumping. Not a bad move. We're not going to be looking for new fibs here because these fibs are still very valid. Next target to the upside, we'll continue pumping. It's going to be at 3618. That's going to be way up here at 65.77 cents, right? But for now, strong bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence. We had the possibility for moving down. We're overbought at 75.35. So we do have that divergence that tells us, yo, be careful, right? We're overbought. We're coming from a high point on the overbought area to a lower point on the overbought area. Still going higher on that price. So we're highly overbought with strong bearish divergence. That usually should mean that we need to move down. So moving down, maybe to get 2618, that target would be down here at 49.94. And if we drop there, we're going to go to 38.64. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see what's happening on the 4 hour chart. And then, Bert, are you still playing Minecraft? Let me know. I'm curious. We are bought at 66.28. So we got bearish divergence strong. Possibility for moving down. Dropping dimes. What? The Triad coin. I'm not sure what that is, bro. What is a Trias coin? It's like the Patronus coin. Oh, they should make a Patronus coin. They should make it a stag and like Harry Potter style. You're not playing it personally? All right. Did you just get like tired of playing it or something like that? Are you playing something? Are you I saw you said you were gonna go back to streaming, so I'm not sure what you're streaming right now or where you're streaming, if you're streaming on YouTube or Twitch. But let me know, man. I'm intrigued. I'm genuinely curious as to where you're streaming at. 1 hour chart. High to low, high to low, high to low. Nothing here that is bearish. Short term, we do. All right. Here in the short term, we're obviously coming up slightly higher. And then look at this, we're coming lower, right? So strong bearish divergence without the possibility for moving down. We are bought at 69.35. Not bad. Diamond tap and tap dimes. All right. What do I think about H-bar? That's a good question. Anyway, there's Crow, right? Potential for moving down on strong bearish divergence. We're having it in a couple areas, right? On the daily, on the 4 hour, right? And on the 1 hour. But be careful. Rex, what's up, dude? Thank you very much for being here. Last thing we had here, and the reason for this move, it is this light divergence that we're creating here, right? It was hidden bullish, helped us rally, and that's it. The bird says, yeah, I got burned out, honestly. It was my job for a decade. I play Stardew Valley now. I'm not sure what Stardew Valley is. I'm going to have to research that. Sounds interesting, though. It has dew in it. Like Mountain Dew. Probably pretty tasty. Let's keep rolling. Someone said, some other coin, H-bar. All right. Prepare for horses. I love H-bar. The handlebar mustache? I should do that, right? I should just have like an H-bar. We should call that now. That's what they should be called now, handlebar. Like, you like my H-bar mustache, right? Just cut it here, cut here, and then just leave the horseshoe shape there. It's Farming Valley Life Simulator. All right, all right. Let's get to that H-bar real quick. The H-bar at 37.98. All right. Did Flex in trouble? I'm not sure. He's usually here. Why is he in trouble? He didn't get in trouble. Hi. Anyways, H-bar. Let's go there. Hedara hash graph. All right, so it's dropping a bit, going to support at 786. All right, finding support and bouncing. Good. All right, now that we've seen where we're at, are we creating something? Hidden bullish. How do you know? Because I'm a wizard. It is my job to know, Harry. I am a wizard. I'm like the Dumbledore of charting. We're neutral, 45.67. Again, hidden bullish. Potential for moving up, pumping. Should be going at least for that 40 cent mark, 40.5. That's where the 20 moving average is at. That is if it wants to continue pumping. Do we have bearish divergence? We didn't. Didn't have anything bearish here. We'll probably drop with Bitcoin the rest. But it should try to do its own thing. We did try to pump. Not super strong, but pumping a bit. It's nice. So crypto. XYO. Yo, yo. Did we do HNT? I didn't. We should. You heard it's going to rocket? Oh, that's pretty nice. We should check it out then. That's slightly more negative. All right. So what do we have here? Hidden bearish. Hidden bearish divergence. With that, the possibility for a movement down. Look at that. Oh, we're very close to that 20. Neutral at 41.72. Again, hidden bearish divergence. Stagnation, maybe action to downside. So we might not reach that 20. And this could start to give us something here for us to start looking for a drop happening here on H-bar. So. Did you do mana yet? I'm out of mana. Didn't. I'm out of mana. High to low, positive, high to low. There's really not a lot here that is bearish. Did we create something bullish? Yes, we did. Look at this. They had the bullish divergence here. It's so nice. It's so nice, that bullish divergence. Here we go. Strong bullish. Potential for action downside. Pumped. Got above the 20. Right now we're hitting that 20, trying to find support there. Tightening on the Bollinger Bands. If we tighten a lot, we might get an explosive move going somewhere. Yeah, they usually doesn't tell us where it's going to go. The fact that we're moving sideways is also not a clear indicator as to where we want to go. But we have that bullish divergence. There's really not a lot that's happening here that could be bearish. There is. There's a break here. It's very tiny. It's just one tiny buyer here of positive, right? Positive momentum. But if we ignore that because it's so tiny, we would have some hidden bearish. And that would be part of the reason that we're getting that movement down here, right? So that's the move from here to here and from here to here. Right? So that's the move we're looking at. Do I like that? No, but that is certainly what is giving us a stagnation. I thought we didn't have it because it was a break here. But, you know, retrospect, looking at it and say, yo, if we ignore that because it's tiny, like sometimes you just got to judge data and determine whether or not you want to count it, right? Because it could be an outlier. Maybe in another chart, they didn't make that positive momentum. And it just happens to be so small that it might not, you know, happen to play. So anyways, not bad. So H&T. All right. All right, H&T at $46.36. Look at it, how good it's a rallying, right? We had the bullish divergence. We're looking for it. So again, hidden bullish, potential for moving up. Very nice, right? It's following Bitcoin the rest, pumping quite a bit. Bullish engulfing the previous candle. Very, very nice. Getting above that 2618, pumping a mighty whopping 16% yesterday and going for another 1.72% right now. Is there anything happening right now? No. Last thing we had was this bearish divergence. We did get above that 20, which was good, right? That was key for us to get above. Now we did get above this previous high here, but for us to get above this previous high here at $52.81, we need to get above $51.46, and that is the 3618. That is a target for us to get above. I am Cardano. The stream is freezing, and I'm freezing for me. Oh, I'm sorry about that, man. I hope it didn't. Okay, thank you. Dutch coin next. No, we're going through the list. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, bullish divergence, action to the upside, pumping a bit. All right, so strong bullish. Getting that rally to the upside. Very nice. Are we creating something bearish? High to low, pause. Nope, we're okay. 4 hours clean. Look. Here we were live in this candle talking about the divergence and the potential for moving up. Where a lot of projects had divergence. Look, 9 p.m. candle. Rallying since. Call. Good. I know I said I wasn't sure if Bitcoin was going to pump. I said watch out for it though, right? Because we had the bullish divergence. A lot of projects had the bullish divergence. The market was telling us it wanted to move up. But Bitcoin was being extremely bearish. So with that into account, strong hidden bearish divergence right now. Potential for a moving down. Maybe sideways motion. That's what we're getting here. That is what we're getting here, or that should at least be to here, where we moved sideways for a bit. Now we're creating this strong bearish here. It's tiny though, but it's there, coming down lower here and coming down lower here, right? Strong bearish potential for moving down. If we move down, going for that 20 moving average at $44.63. That is what we're looking at. I mean, there's really not a lot going on. Someone said, TSO Crypto, mana. All right, let's do mana. I'm man of my word. Mana jokes. Dad mana jokes. Where the hell's mana? I gotta find it now. Like that, joking aside, I need to find my mana. Someone had said Riot. We're gonna check Riot in a second, right? Let's get here on the daily. Mana still managed to pump. Look, hit the 1618. Very nice. Strong bearish divergence, right? We said we are gonna get there with bearish divergence, which we did. Now we're looking for that rejection of that zone. So 1618, going back down. Should be aiming at least for $3.58 if we do move down violently. Otherwise, we could try to recover here a little bit, which will not be bad. Overbought at 71.23. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, bearish divergence, starting to move down in there. Guess what? That tracks onto there, and I said if we rallied, we're still going to hold it, and we still held it, and we're still holding on to it. There we go. Look at that. Right now, neutral, 59.89. Nothing happening here that is bullish, so we're still playing off the bearish divergence. For anything to happen, we need to go back down. But for us to come back down to the support, right, $3.66, which is the previous high we had here, look what's going to happen. If we were to drop right now, we're going to have a double support because the 20 moving average also happens to be at that $3.65 mark. So good support there if we were to move down. So let's check out the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, bearish divergence, move down a bit, hit that 20 and bounce. On that bounce, creating more bearish divergence. It is the march of the bearish divergences. That's what's happening. Bearish divergence upon bearish divergence. Bearish divergenceception. Think about it. Neutral at 49.42. What else? Riot. All right, so we're breaking below that 20. We're going to go, man. Again, we're top targets, right? Could be coming down here. $3.66. Looks pretty freaking tasty for a retrace. So that could be where we're going to. Up next, the stock. Right. We're looking at stonks now. I'm kidding, it's just one stunk. Get requested. Riot sitting at $36.18. Had the bullish divergence. Oh my goodness, let's go here in the daily. All right, so we're looking for something bearish here to start developing. We did get that pullback happening, but like I said, look at the pre-market and post-market, right? Because it was pumping on the aftermarkets. So we got rid of the divergence. That is fine. All right, here we drop, hit at 20, and then we pumped quite violently, which is pretty good. It just went up high and very nice move. Came back down, hitting that 20, finding support. Nothing bullish right now. Neutral F52, 54.28. Did we draw something here on the weekly? We didn't. All right. We're consolidating. That's why. But if you look at here on the weekly, we're getting that break. Right, if that were to be your triangle, there's having to be your consolidation that we talked about, right? Breaking out of it. So on that break, if we are to do a measure move, which would be freaking awesome, we should be in for about $76, which is not a bad move. We were also looking for that bearishness. Look, we dropped for a couple days after we called that bearish divergence, right? So that's why I say you have to watch out the pre-market. Look at the pre-market and post-market. Look at how strong it's pumping, right? Look at also here. Most of the moves happening here. This did happen to be intraday. This one happened to be intraday. But look at where most of the moves happen. Post-market, aftermarket. Pre-market, post-market, right? So, post-market, pre-market. Pre-market, post-market. Pre-market, post. Pre-post. Right, so... nice. There we go. IDK, if you read my other messages. I was definitely just a me pro. Alright. I read your message saying, oh, the stream is freezing! And I'm freezing for me. I got to that one. Not sure if you typed other ones, but I did get to that one. Right on. So, Riot. 4 hour. Doing okay. Oh, we didn't call anything. Hidden bullish. Hidden bullish going from a low point to a high point. Hey, my goodness, look at this. It's there. It is there, Trebek. I saw it. Neutral 49.98. Right. Shocking Trebek. Also, y'all guys remember Celebrity Jeopardy? Type 1 if you've seen Celebrity Jeopardy. Type 2 if you haven't, because maybe you're too young. But Celebrity Jeopardy was pretty funny. Yes, thank you. I'll take the pen and smite you. Right on, right on. 1 second, guys. I gotta pour myself another glass because I'm out of beer. I'm out of mana. Mana. You have 41, you have no idea? Oh, bro. Alright, the bird that has in it. Alright, that's pretty good. Preparing for War says he hasn't seen it. Alright. Arthur says no. See, Andrew has in it. I'll take an album cover. I'm not gonna say how he says it because you know it's YouTube, but yeah, it's pretty funny shit. It's Will Ferrell acting as Trebek, and then I can't remember who is it that plays Sean Connery, but he's always super funny. Anyways, how am I feeling about the Bitcoin lately? Your TA has suggested that we bottom. That is a pretty good idea. I'm thinking Bitcoin could be looking for a small bounce. Not sure if we're out of it. So, Fasan, what's up, yo? Thank you very much for being here. What are we gonna do? The
Hail to the king, baby.
Hail to the king, baby. Right on. Oh, let's go to the chat. So, if you haven't seen Celebrity Jeopardy, go Google it. It's funny. You'll laugh. Your mother, Trebek. Anyways, we are breaking something here in the corn. And I'm going to go to this chart so I can show it to you guys. We're breaking a resistance line. Right? And the move is like this. Right? So we're breaking this resistance line and we're getting to go back up. So on that, we could say that we're going short-term bullish. The short-term bullish. What is up with Litecoin? Thoughts? Why the spike in the last month-ish? That's a pretty good question. We haven't looked at Litecoin in the longest time. Let's go revisit our friend Litecoin. All right, the last month-ish. Right, let's see. Ooh, it's on the green. That is interesting. 1 quick second, guys. Right on. Let's keep rolling. What's up with Litecoin last month? All right, the month screen. Go to weekly. It's taking an insane spike. All right. Nothing bullish here. Let's go on the daily. Did we have divergence here? Hitting bullish, but you know we've been spiking since back here. All right. So last time we looked at this, we had this bullish divergence, right? We had the possibility of fraction to the upside. So that's what's getting us to rally here, and then some hidden bullish here. Dropping lower, so whatever hidden bullish played here to the 20 and then dropped, that's fine. I would say we're getting the rally from this divergence back here, right? And that is what we're starting to get that moving up. So now where we're at right now, we created some bearish divergence here. Right, so bearish divergence. And we had the possibility of moving down. No, we're breaking down. Mayday, we're breaking down. Bringing below that 20 moving average. But we're creating hidden bullish, and that's going to get us to try to pump and hit that 20. Right, it's not all lost. Not all lost. Just because we tanked a bit here on the Litecoin. Also Litecoin. Right. Pumping into the hidden bullish. So heading for that 20, that would be a primary target. 228. If we do get above that target, we should be looking for 268. But again, Litecoin's a weird project. Why am I saying that? I'm gonna say it's the backing. I don't trust Charlie Lee, so he seems off shady. So that's why I don't buy the project. I hold some Litecoin, not a lot. Neutral 45.46 again, getting above that 20 with bullish divergence. So we're still looking for that movement up. We're creating bearish divergence here. Ooh, slightly, but it's there. Just till right now to this 4-hour chart. Is it confirmed? Not yet, because this 4-hour candle hasn't closed. So if we drop below that 20, we're very likely going to be making less of this positive momentum, and we're not going to have the bearish divergence. So neutral at 45.43. Again, if we do get this bearish divergence, it's going to put pressure on the price, maybe try to break us back down below that 20. If we do hold on above the 20 and we try to pump a bit, maybe I'll driving by 1 second. There we go. So if we do get above that 20, we're looking for a nice movement up. So neutral at 45.52. So let's go to that 1-hour chart. It's so Litecoin to the Bitcoin. All right. What? Someone bought all-time highs? What? All right. I'm not sure who bought what an all-time high. Didn't quite catch that. Something about Tom Crown, but I'm not sure what you were saying there. Bullish divergence, right? With that, the possibility for moving up, we're starting to rally. Very nice. You're on the move. Look at this. Boom, boom. All right. Bearish divergence strong. Moving down on that. Starting to go back down to that 20 moving average. Not bad. Tom did 50K. 50K on what? On Litecoin? He bought $50,000 worth of Litecoin? What? Bought it at 60.43. With that, potential for moving down with strong bearish divergence. Starting to go down. Turning the 20 at $217. So we're getting contradicting data, right? The daily says we should be rallying. The 4-hour says we should be moving down. And then the 1 hour says we should be looking for moving up. Sorry, moving down also. So, you know. 17 or 18 pocket. What? I'm so lost, Kevin. I'm so lost, bro. I'm not sure where you're Tom at 50K, 17 or 18 pocket. All right, Litecoin to Bitcoin up next. Litecoin to the Bitcoin. 0.00 and then 3 sats. All right, some bearish divergence, so potential for moving down. That's why Litecoin is losing against the Corn right now, trying to bounce after hitting that 20. Not a bad move, right? Not a bad move. That is not a bad move at all. So Litecoin should still be looking to strengthen against the Bitcoin, at least for a little bit. Bearish divergence, low to high, negative, less negative and low to high. Nothing here that is bullish neutral at 54.92. We hit the 20, we're balancing there. We don't have anything bullish, so I'm gonna look at the 4 hour. Had a lip, lower. All right, there's some bullish divergence here for this moving up. Very nice, but also gaining. It's gaining against the Corn. Neutral and 49.13 again. We're hitting bullish, getting above that 20, coming back down, find support, try to bounce more. Hitting bearish, starting to develop, just like we've seen with the actual coin, right? Ooh, I whistled when I talked. Oh my goodness, just whistle while you work. We are having this bearish divergence without the possibility for it moving down. Maybe putting pressure on the price, right? Could make it lose value against the Corn. And here we have some bullish divergence for us to start rallying, and then we're creating some strong bearish. Oh, look at that, strong bearish, just like we had with the regular Litecoin. So bullish here, and then from here to here, we're creating that bearish, right? Look at that. And if we match it against the Litecoin chart, this is going to look pretty similar, the divergence and that bearish divergence. So it's just looking like it's just following the price of Bitcoin, or at least the price of Bitcoin against the dollar. Not really shifting a lot, so very similar. Right on. Let's go back to the Bitcoin. 58,646. Oh, something dropped there with. Thank you. Oh, cool. Thanks. I haven't seen those things drop because we don't get a lot of chat through the Twitch. But you're welcome, Bird Dad. Thank you very much for being here. Much appreciated. Oh, snap. There we go. A lot more of those things dropping. Wonder if I put my little things. This one's. Will this work? I'm not sure. I gotta check. What haven't I placed? Oh, this. Will that get them to pop? Oh, they popped. Great. So we got Shameless is falling here. What in the world was that? It's a thing that's called Capagen, I think, or Capagen, and it drops on Twitch. When someone types emotes on Twitch, they drop and they bounce on the screen. In your face, they bounce. Right. So what else, guys? What else are we gonna look at? We've been live for almost 1 hour, 48 minutes to be exact. 100 messages. Hearts don't work. Oh, brokenhearted. I think if you do emote heart, it might work. So I'm not sure. Also, that didn't work. All right, see, one of the hearts, purple hearts drop. Right on. So they do work. It's raining. No. I'm not gonna sing that. It is not raining. Yeah, no, I know. It was a broken hallelujah, right? Does it matter dropping some bits? Ooh, nice. I like the bits. Let's do something for that. Let's do this.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
The bits they dropped. Thank you very much for that. Doesn't matter. Just keeps on making it rain here. Let's go over to chat. A lot more bids happening now. A lot more bids happening. So let's do it as well. Again.
Challenge accepted. Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
XYO. Sure. You're out on Twitch. All right, I can see you hanging there. XYO. All right. Have we ever looked at this? We never looked at this. All right. On Coinbase, 6 cents. Right on. Let's get some fips for this. We're pulling back down and we're making a valid retrace. So that's where we're at. Hitting that 618 and bouncing back higher. Hitting that 236. Very nice fips. So down support, bouncing, going to resistance at 236. It's okay. Hitting bullish divergence with that possibility for action to the upside. Getting above that 20. Very nice move there. And then we still get above the previous all-time high, right? We get above that target. That is our current target. Target acquired. Neutral at 58.22 again. With that, it just tells us we can go either way. Pointing slightly up, sloping here on the other side, so we should still be looking for a slight moving up. That's what I'm looking at. Oh, thank you very much, man. Much appreciated there. Doesn't matter. Yeah, people are on Twitch, people are on YouTube. Isn't that crazy? It's a crazy day. It's a raid. I hope I win. Oh my goodness, we're getting 17 likes. You ever look at MIR? Dude, if it's not top 200, I rarely look at stuff. At least not on the stream. Reason for that is I do tend to drop a lot of viewership when I start looking at small cap coins. Which, you know, it's kind of stupid because those are sometimes the hidden gems. But people just want to see the Bitcoin and the main coins. So for me to do a small cap coin, usually, like if it comes with a donation, I would check it out. Otherwise, I would just not be looking at anything that is below top 200. I'm not sure if MIR is on the top 200. It could be. I don't know by heart all the top 200 coins, right? So, I am only human. There was bearish divergence back here for the move, right? So. Ooh, bearish divergence. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're dropping down to that. Oh no, the mouse is stuck. Bearish divergence strong, dropping hidden bullish, getting us to pop. Very nice. Nothing else happening here when you get above the period high, right? We already said that. Let's go to the 4 hour. All right. It could be there, man. I mean, I haven't seen it, so. I might have looked at it. I'm not sure, dude. You know how many coins I look at on a day-to-day basis? So many. Most of them I just never looked at again. So we might have looked at it. Like I said, I don't keep track of all the coins. Bullish divergence strong. Action to the upside. Pumping. Very nice. Hidden bearish divergence. Ambulance. Oh, no. Sorry, no, that's Popo. Mr. Popo. Mr. 50. Not sure why they go by the street doing that sound. Are they trying to scare people away? Anyways, hidden bearish. We got the possibility for a drop. We did drop here for a candle. Try to recover right now. We're still struggling. We're still struggling with that 236. Almost spot on hits. Look at that. Here on the 4 hour light. I cannot move that. Here we go. Why is the mouse struggling a bit, not being smooth? Here we go. All right. And hitting that target spot on. Oh no! It's ranked 321. Oh no! Look at that. Bought at 60.74. Was with 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart. Bearish divergence. Drop. Look at this. Bearish divergence dropping a bit. Try to pump. Again, we might still creating some bearish divergence, particularly if we go slightly higher. Right? What do I mean by that? Well, what I mean is we're going to be coming up here. Right? Somewhere. Maybe not that high, but somewhere higher. We're still going to be coming lower here and also coming lower here, right? So lower and also here lower, right? So with that, we're going to have strong bearish divergence. Going to make XYO move down again. So just watch out for that, right? There's bearish divergence that could still be built if XYO keeps on rallying. So right now, stagnation would be okay. Cool off a bit. Maybe make some negative momentum, then try to pump again. We're still going to create bearish divergence, so we'll see how it goes once we get there. So once it's Chev. The Sheb. I actually do hold some ship. The Shibal. Here we go. Shib. I know. It's consolidating. So it dropped to that 50% retrace. Very nice. Still holding on to its hidden divergence. Very nice. We're making more of that negative momentum like we said we could. Very nice. And pumping in that, hitting that 382 and rejection. All right, neutral. 40.67. Not a lot going on here. We're just consolidating, right? Now it's up in consolidation. We're not really crashing. We're consolidating. We had the bullish divergence try to popped and we dropped, so that's fine. And on that drop, we managed to go lower. Now this is on the upper side, this is on the lower side. So we kind of lost it afterwards, right? So even if we said we went there, we no longer have it. So get a small pop and then we drop. So that's fine. More negative, lower still. High to low, hitting bearish. That is what we're getting our movement down right now. Right, our flag that's starting to develop there on the 1 hour. We briefly saw it when we came into this chart. Walked in, opened the door. Lights were out. Neutral at 50.55. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Anyways, there we go. Bullish divergence, strong potential fraction to upside, starting to take a pop, creating nothingness. Going higher, more positive, and higher still. So from here to here, there's nothing bearish. There's reason for this movement down is on the 4 hour chart, right? And this hidden divergence making us consolidate or flag. What we're seeing here is this flag forming this sideways motion, going for that 20. We might hit the 20 and try to bounce. It would not be bad. Market Wizard, the chat seems like it's missing. Oh, bro, you just keep changing your name. How many siphons, charts, markets do you have? Right on. So, sideways motion going for that 20. Not bad. Nothing bullish though. Neutral. At 54.97. 54.94. So what can happen here? We can hit that 20, right? And then try to pop on it. And then we might create some bearish divergence, right? By going higher and coming lower. And then we break down from there. Or we might actually lose the 20 and break down below it briefly, right? We're not going to have anything here that is bullish still. But that's a possibility that SHIB just happens to go slightly lower still. SHIB's not super strong right now. It's losing some of its strength. I'm not saying it's a bad play. I'm saying below 200, we usually don't check, man. And it's not that I don't want to. Like I said, I do lose a lot of viewership, or like I don't have a lot of viewers. So having 1, 2, 3 people walk away because I'm checking out some small cap coin, that's like 5% of the audience sometimes. So it is a big chunk of people leaving at once. So even if it's one person, anyways, back to the Bitcoin. Back to the Bitcoin. Back to the Bitcoin. There we go. Right, you own it. You ain't gonna lie. All right, that's fine. Not a lot happening in the chat. Yes, the Market Wizard is easily attachable. It's like a Velcro person. Just attaches to people. New hour! 10:01. We closed on the red. I know. Going very close to that support line, right? That blue line of support. We don't want to hit it. We don't want to hit it, man. I'm telling you. Let's actually adjust that one. It's a little bit off. The way it should be. Like that. Why am I adjusting it? Because it needs to be adjusted. Now we're going to have a best line. There we go. Still move slightly lower and hit it. We'll see. You're sorry I have that experience usually when I see people that actually care about their financial interests. We'll stick around. Yeah, I know. But I also care about, growing the channel. So having people live is usually not cool. Sorry about that, man. It's something that got decided. Because people just come and ask for the most obscure coin on the corners of the internet, which sometimes doesn't happen to be on in a major exchange, and a lot of people usually walk away. And I agree with you, man. That's why I said sometimes those are the hidden gems that people should be looking at, but they don't stick around. Yeah. Look, man, usually if you request it on the Discord beforehand, I could either do it on the Discord or I might be able to do it live. So it just depends. And if you do put it on the Discord like a couple hours before the stream, I'll try to check it out. And if it's worth it, I'll probably chart it if I do believe it has some value to bring. And people can, really appreciate it. And then I'll bring it and talk about it briefly. But otherwise, it's usually not good. Anyways, guys, remember, there's not going to be a stream starting tomorrow for a week. I'm going to be out of town. Get out of travel for work. So I'm going to be out of town for about 7 days, actually. I'll be back next Saturday. So from Saturday to Saturday, no stream. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, you're correct, Market Wizard. You are correct in that. Let's get rid of the chat real quick. Right on. So we've been live for an hour on the dot. I'm going to be calling you a stream here soon, guys. Make sure you get your last request. One more coin. Next coin to come up is the coin we're going to do. Otherwise, we're going to be done with this. We're going to be done with the show. I know. Tomorrow, again, I'll try to post a short video. Bitcoin Fight Club. What's up, buddy? Hope you're well. Thank you for all your efforts. Oh, thank you very much for that, man. Much appreciated. To you, my friend, I'll say an Elvis thank you. Did it play? It didn't play. Oh no, it's stuck. Is anything gonna play here? Oh no. My stream deck is stuck. Engine? Sure. Let's do engine. The stream deck froze. That kind of sucks. It never freezes, and it froze today. Yeah, guys, you're in the Discord. Links have gone out. Oh, no. Let's go check out engine. That's the one we said we're going to do. The ENJ. The engine of engines. What are you? Here we go. My Discord invite is expired. Really? I just grabbed it. Might have expired right now. Let's get this again. Oh, the one. Oh, yeah, that one's gone, dude. This one's the one you gotta use. Reason for that is we're getting a lot of bots to join the server. So I left the expired one there, and then we just post a new link every day. So you can join with that one. Engine's the last one we're gonna look at. Let's get on the daily. It's pumped. Oh my goodness. It has bearish divergence. Look at this. It's looking me up here. We're above the all-time high though. Very nice move. We're still not anchoring to a positive momentum island, right? Remember that. We want to anchor to a positive momentum island. So going back down, back to support, right? If it's 100% high, that's fine. That's okay. We need to probably adjust this because we have another high since then. And we're going to check that here on the 4 hour. I think that's where we drew this one. So, or it might have shifted a bit. I'm not sure. But anyways, still above the previous all-time high, coming back down support, or an all-time high that we had considered at some point in time. Nothing bearish here. Neutral. Bought at 62.69. Did we create something bullish? Lower negative, less negative. All right, cool. Let's check here though. No, we don't, because there's a break here, so I'm not gonna be able to anchor there. So we're just pumping there. Let's go to the 1 hour. Coming up higher and higher still. All right, so here we go. Look at this. There we go. Here we go. Look at this. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. It's a bullish divergence. It's hidden bullish divergence without possibility for moving up. Maybe stagnation. Is that bad? No, it's actually pretty good. It's pretty good that we have this. Oh my goodness, we got something happening here. Doesn't matter, just cheered. Thank you very much for that. Cheers. Oh, that thing is stuck, so I cannot make it play. But anyways, legendary, man. Thank you very much for that. Much appreciated. There's viewers from Torum. That is freaking awesome. Thank you very much for that, guys. Neutral, 53.61. Dudes, that is it for engine. Again, hidden bullish. Gonna try to stagnate here, maybe move sideways. Try to go back up. We'll see. We'll see how it rolls. That's gonna be it for this, man. That's gonna be it here for Engine. It's a Twitter like it's a Twitter like thing. It's pretty cool. It actually looks better than Twitter. It looks like this. Very nice. It's like a crypto Twitter. Yeah. Anyways, guys, we're gonna be calling it a stream. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the show, make sure you hit the like, the bell, this up. Join us on Discord, right? Oh, dude, the whole stream deck is stuck. I'm not gonna be able to do those things. Like, bell, ding, and then subscribe. Right, whatever. Anyways, what else are we gonna do here? Yeah, all the information that we're providing here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. On that note, take care, guys. I'm not gonna be here for a week. Be careful. Mind your positions. Measure risk. Manage risk. That's the most important thing in trading. Managing risk. If you don't manage risk, you're gonna get wrecked. So make sure you manage risk. On that note, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you again, not this Friday, not this Saturday, but until next Saturday. Hope you have a great time. Hope you have a great week. Hope you have an awesome trading experience. I hope Bitcoin keeps on pumping. I'm sad I'm not gonna be here if it pumps. But on that note, guys, I'll catch you again for another edition of TSO Crypto. Until a week from now, and I gotta figure out where my ending screen is. Until a week from now, guys.